Alright everyone, welcome back to week 10 of GoMining's solo mining. I don't even know if there's a point in me saying my total rewards because I am recording this like 3 weeks late than I should, so we might as well. So we have a total rewards of 0.02705627 Bitcoin. It says it's worth approximately $3,204 exactly. And luckily, because Bitcoin is actually up just about 1% today, or a little bit under, we're actually sitting at about $3,211. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So we're getting very close to our 100% ROI. And because I'm Canadian, so I invested in Canadian dollars, and the exchange rate for Canadian to US dollars is continuously changing. At the moment, I need to be at $3,993.40 to be at my 100% ROI. That's because I put in $5,470.32 exactly in Canadian dollars. So that's how much I paid in Canadian, and then I got converted to USD, and then, you know, my rewards are converted from Bitcoin to USD. So there's just continuous exchange rates just fluctuating the entire time. But either way, for the amount of $3,204, that is about 80.83% of the way to my 100% ROI. And I think I've said it before, but once I hit that 100% ROI, what I'm going to do is I will then turn this part on to where it will reinvest and convert my Bitcoin rewards into either GoMining tokens or Terahash for my miners. One thing else I noticed is you can change what pool you're mining on, or I think this is a comparison. Oh yeah, no, you can actually change the pool that you're mining on. So if you want to mine literally via Bitcoin or Foundry or Binance, these are the big pools. And as you can see, the same rewards per terahash, so doesn't matter which one you choose. But okay, now for the weekly rewards. For our weekly rewards between the days of June 24th and June 30th, we were able to get a total of 0.00033463 Bitcoin, which is about $39.71. Not to mention, this past 5 days, we've seen some new all-time highs. Look at that. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it looks like we made a new all-time high today of $119,142 for a single fucking Bitcoin. That's just retarded, to be honest. Like, not in a bad way, but like, it's retarded in like past 5 days. It's up almost 9%. Holy shit. No matter what, we're pulling in like $40 a week, doing nothing. You know, every day coming here, clicking that button, keeping that discount, keeping the servicing going, just letting that Bitcoin build. So if you actually want to start mining some Bitcoin today and, you know, making yourself some passive income, use my referral link down in the description below. You will get an extra 5% bonus in Terahash on your first miner purchase. So you buy 100 Terahash, you'll get an extra free 5 Terahash. You buy 200, you get a 10 Terahash for free. You get 1,000 Terahash, you'll get 50 Terahash for free. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. And to start mining today, it literally costs you as low as $25.99. To start mining today with 1 Terahash, bringing in about 4 cents a day. Some people say, oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. Yeah, well, guess what? This is up to a 50% ROI. You know what it is in the stock market? Fucking 11%. That's if you're mirroring the S&P 500. If you want to start making some passive income, start mining some Bitcoin, or start investing in a TFSA or a 401k, Roth IRA. I'm Canadian, so I don't know the US ones, but if you can invest money into an account that's tax-free and mirrors the S&P 500, do it. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, I would invest in Bitcoin mining. Buy the rig, let it mine the Bitcoin for you. You're just getting that Bitcoin. I've been mining for a year and a half now, just over a year and a half. $3,000 in Bitcoin. Absolutely insane. So have fun, start mining, and start investing. See you guys soon.
When you see me fly by, my brokers think I'm crazy, cause I'm taking all these chances.